Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Notion workspace and making a dedicated page. Name it clearly for quick access. Once done, enable full width and add 3 column blocks to form a layout grid, using empty blocks as visual guides. Next, pick a font and cohesive color palette. These choices set mood and readability. Make sure to upload a cover or background graphic size to roughly 80 to 120 pixels in height, because proportion matters for an aesthetic first impression. You now populate the page with structured content. Create core databases for tasks, projects, and resources, then insert linked database views tuned with filters and sorts. Once connected, add visual elements, synced blocks for repeating headers, embeds for calendars or media, and small image cards for texture and contrast. Make sure to standardize icon sizes and block spacing to maintain rhythm across the page. When adjusting views, prioritize succinct properties and conditional coloring to keep the dashboard both useful and beautiful. You finish by polishing. Create toggle-based micro-interactions, add status badges for quick scanning, and collapse secondary sections to reduce cognitive load. Once polished, duplicate the page as a template, set sharing permissions, and preview on mobile to ensure responsiveness. If elements misalign, first reset full width and re-add the column structure. If embeds or images fail to load, clear your browser cache and reauthorize embeds. Finally, iterate. Small tweaks to spacing or colors dramatically improve the final aesthetic, so review and refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.